let me give you another example here. When you're given this equation here, you're asked to make x a subject, but you can see that x is stuck in this thing here and here. So visualize this as at the moment you've got one bubble multiplying this bubble here. Okay, on this side you've got this bubble here multiplying this bubble here. But you can see x is in this bubble here, and it's also in this bubble here. So what you have to do is, because x is stuck in this complicated bubble here, get this, multiply with this, break up the bubble basically. Break up the bubble and then use the same over here. Use the same technique. So break up the bubble by multiplying out the brackets. So hang on. So when you're given brackets, break up the bubble because x is stuck in a complicated bubble. So let's do this. A times 2x, so that will be 2ax, or it could be 2xa, it doesn't matter, plus, and now get this times this. You're just breaking up the brackets, so it will be 4a. So this is the same as this thing here, but just written differently. Okay. Now here you can see x is stuck in this complicated bubble. So let's tidy up. Well, not tidy up, but let's break up the bubble. So b times 6 is 6b. Okay, and then take away this times this. It will be 5bx. Okay, now visualize it as, visualize it as this plus this equals this, take away this. Okay, good. Get all the x's on one side and all the rubbish on the other side. So this, you can see this block here contains x, this contains x here. So we could either move this one across the other side or move this one over to the other side here. I would move this one across here. So inside your mind, add 5bx to both sides. So it will be this. Take this whole lot down, plus 4a, and then remember you're adding 5bx to both sides. So on this side it will just be 6b. Okay. So now visualize it as this block here plus this block here plus this block here equals this block here. This one here is classed as rubbish because it doesn't contain x. So take away 4a from both sides. So it will be 2ax plus 5bx equals 6b take away 4a. Okay, so now you can see this is rubbish. It doesn't contain x. Here it contains x, Okay, so x is in common here and here. So let's factorize it. So it will be 2a plus 5b. Okay, and then on this side it's blah 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 blah. Okay, and then here visualize it as, at the moment you've got this times this thing here. So divide both sides by this bubble here. So on this side you have x. On this side, take this down, take the whole lot down, and then divide by 2a plus 5b. So you've just made x a subject. Okay, so this one here now. Yeah, so you can see x is stuck in this bubble here, and because at the moment you've got this bubble multiplying this bubble here, and then you've got this multiplying this one here. So break up the x. So multiply out the brackets. Just to break up the x into this bubble plus this bubble here, and then on this side you have this bubble plus this bubble here. So you've actually breaking up the complicated bubble. Okay, so yeah, press pause and have a go. Okay, let's break it up. So this times this, it will be 3x. Now this times this, it will be plus 3a. And then now this times this, which is 5b, and then this times this, which is minus 5x. So now visualize it as one block, adding this block equals this block, take away this block here. Get all the x's on one side. So here you've got x here, and you've got x here. Rather than moving this across by taking away 3x, I'm going to add 5x to both sides. Okay, so so add 5x to both sides. So 3x plus 3a, add 5x on this side, and then on this side we've only got 5b. 5b. Okay, so now you've got x here, you've got x here. This is classed as rubbish. So let's take away 3a from both sides. So take away 3a from both sides, take away 3a here, and then on this side you've got this. Okay, and then I just gave you a silly example. My mistake, sorry, but my point here is okay, we can still do this. You can't really do the normal factorization route because I gave you a silly example. Here you've got 3x, take away 5x, so you're going to have minus 2x. Doesn't matter. So here it will be this. Okay. It doesn't matter. It's me being silly. I gave you a silly example here. So now here we don't want negative x equals something. So you've got to add 2x to both sides. Okay. So add 2x to both sides. You have 0 on this side because minus 2 elephants, add 2 elephants would be 0. On this side here, it would be this plus 2x. Okay. And now let's add 3a to both sides. Remember, we're trying to get x on its own. So now we are adding 3a to both sides. So it will be this equals 5b plus 2x. Okay. Now visualize as this plus this. Sorry, this equals this plus this. Okay. Now let's kill off this thing here. So it would be 3a minus 5b equals 2x. Okay, and now divide both sides by 2. So 3a minus 5b over 2 equals x. Yeah, you can still do it, but it's my fault. I gave you a silly example. When you're here, I was expecting you to be able to factorize it. Oh, look, x is in common here, x is in common here, so you can actually factorize it. So it'd be 3 in here, take away plus 5 here, close it. So when you factorize it like this, you can see same entity, because single numbers on their own are like one entity. So you can merge them. So in effect, you have x bracket minus 2, which is minus 2x. So when you're here, yeah, sometimes you get to this. It doesn't matter. So just add 2x to both sides because you don't want minus x equals something. You ultimately want positive x equals something. So when you see minus 2x, add 2x to both sides and then move all the rubbish on the other side or over to the other side. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, my fault here. Doesn't matter, but just carry on. Yeah, I gave you a silly example here. In the next video, I will give you a better example. Okay.